My name is Christine Hanna, and I'm going to talk to you today about Johnson's 7 conditions of creativity that enable discoveries and inventions. Johnson argues that our ideas are crumbled together from parts that happen to be around or nearby. We take ideas from other people and we stitch them together into new forms and we create something new. He has created 7 conditions in which these networks can form. Today, we will focus on 6. The first condition is adjacent possible, and that is when you use components and ideas that exist in your environment because at certain points in time, you can only take certain steps. The second condition is a liquid network, and this is when there are many different ideas that are listened to by a variety of people, thus creating informal, loose networks. Think, for example, Silicon Valley, where wacky workspaces are becoming the norm. Workers do not have to be in dull cubicles, but rather entertaining and loose environments that stir innovation. Have you ever heard of GSD&M in Austin? They call it Idea City for a reason. The third condition is termed the slow hunch. This states that ideas take time. Full innovation can take years to accomplish. For example, a typical Pixar movie takes 4 or 5 years to accomplish from when the story is written to the final touches. The fourth condition is serendipity, and this is when an innovation occurs through accident or chance. For example, did you know how the Slinky was invented? The springs were actually used to hold fragile equipment in place on ships. One day, a man named James hit a spring off the shelf and watched it do its famous Slinky dance. The fifth condition, error, is similar to the fourth, and it is when creativity occurs not by an individual, but was an error which led to discovery. Plastic was actually created by accident, when the chemist was set out to find a replacement for shellac. Lastly, exaptation is when you alter one innovation in order to make it do something else. All of these conditions are key to true creativity.